Okay, I'm back. Trying to get this primary cover on here. I didn't worry about the nut shaft screwed up. Deal with it later. So these holes weren't lined up very well. This one here now is starting to line up. You can see how far off these things are. Typical primary covers, nothing lines up. So I'm not gonna get too carried away when I'm putting this one on. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one or not. I personally think it sucks. But, half the commenters like it, half don't. I like the black one, stock one, without all this smoothie crap on it. So, we'll see what happens down the road. Okay, what's on there now for won't fall off at least. Okay, I was working on my mouse trap here. I got a couple nuts to hold it together with. I don't know if this is the one I'm going to use either, but it's definitely one I want to run. Snug. Goes the U-bolt. U-bolt's the hardest part to find. So that just goes on the frame over here, like this. Put it where you need to be. Like in that area there, works good. Threads. Most of the stuff, threads are questionable in quality and all this stuff. Usually mounts up pretty high in the frame. But in this area here, we got a good pull over there. So we're going to put the hot lines up with this. You got competing parts for the same area. Somebody's going to lose. Usually they sit up pretty high though. So it just goes like that. Alright, idea is there. It's missing some components for it though. It's missing a rod that goes from here over here. I don't know if I have that or not. Debatable. Either way, it's good enough for what I got for mock-up. Okay, we're going to work on the rear end now. Get the swing arm back up inside here. I went and found a chain guard for it. The kind I like. I like the big fat ones. They resemble this. Like that or that. This is like a rigid frame, a little curl in the back, nice and thin. A lot better looking. At least I think it is. Alright, camera's in my way. Look out. Okay, I gotta try to get all these parts back in there. Easier said than done. Should have welded it, didn't do any damage, right? Appears to still go back in the hole. Camera appears to be screwed up though. There you go. Good if you can see better. So we're going to have to get the two bearings to stay in, two pacers to stay in, and there's no seals to holding it together. So it's all we can put to anything, so it makes it fun. it all has to go up in there at one time. So let's see if I can do it again. We did it last time. Because I didn't have the oil tank stuff in the way at that time. Alright. Should bring a screwdriver with me. That's how that all goes together. Everything falls out, the bolt goes through now. Spacers are gone. So these spacers have a sharp edge on them, and the axle does too, so they don't want to go in the same spot. Alright, try a screwdriver. Maybe that'll help. That goes in there. Good luck. Where's the other one at? If there's any way I can do it that way. Just throw crappy seals in there and it'll be good. Don't have any crappy seals. We got new ones. So you can't hold it up. So I need to hold the swing arm up in the air enough that the thing is not falling down on me all the time. So I'm going to do something about that right now. Take this big box, put it to use. Big piece of wood, put it to use too. There you go. Swing arm's level, kind of. Before I did not have anything in my way. Now I have no access to that bolt hole over there. So I doubt if I'll be able to put the swing arm on without doing something different. Shit. We did not compensate for oil swing arm and oil tank bracket in the same spot. Design flaw. And we are off by a ton. So that means all that work I did, I gotta redo. None of it will work. The oil tank bracket has to be up in the air. It cannot sit on the frame. We are hitting hard against this bracket. And the swing arm needs to go up a lot. See how it's hanging way low? It's not concentric to the hole here. We're off by 1/4 inch. This has to go at least 1/4 inch higher in the air. And I weld the snot out of that thing. Yeah. Yepper. Good planning. Or not. Well, I got the oil tank to fit real nice. The problem is swing arm don't fit. That's it. Put a bull hardtail on the back. Come on, this crap over here is getting to be my pain in the ass. See, someone dumbass pulled that stupid ass phone guard out. Now everything else is falling out after me, see? There we go. Now I can walk through there again. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do about this problem. Well, I know what I have to do. I got to cut everything out and redo it. It's what I have to do, but damn. We'll have to bend the oil tank up a lot. All of that work on the primary is going to be done because that ain't going to work no more. I'm going to have to just cut the bracket because there's no way I'm going to cut those welds off. Wonderful. Got to pull the tranny completely out, strip everything off to get all that out of there. What a pain in the you know what. Yeah. And it's already 11 o'clock, so I think it's a good time to go home. Trying to get this thing mocked up so I can get it out of here. Oh well. That's what you call shit happen to deal with it. Oh, damn. Oh well. So I'm going to reverse the oil tank spacers, which is going to move the swing off the 1/4 inch I need. The oil tank bracket will not fit for the, the inner primary bracket's going to be history. I'm just going to cut these things vertically, move them up, and then re-weld them. That'd be the easiest thing to do. Gotta pull all this stuff out of here, so I got access to do all of that. Put the swing arm in the bike before you weld the bracket on this time. Yeah, that was a good plan there, huh? Yeah. And this is going to have to be cut off probably and re-welded, or just make a new bracket. Easier just make a new bracket, cut it, put a new bracket in there. Be done with it, but it ain't going to happen right now. Damn. Kicking the old balls that is, huh? Trying to get my wheel together. That didn't happen either. Yeah, maybe I'll go put my tire on the wheel at least. Won't be a total loss for the night. Alright, well, there you go. Fun, fun, fun. We'll deal with it later.